morning, people.
It's
It's Manic Money Fan Channel, and I'm Crypto Corey.
I am Money Mike.
And once again, back at it again. It's Sunday.
Looks like
We got stopped out of that short, didn't we, Mike?
Did you actually get stopped out?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We don't close trades until they are take profit or stop loss. We're men around here. We stick to our commitments.
Holy crap, dude!
And we're instantly banned.
No, I gotta bring that volume down. That was crazy.
Yeah, I mean, what can I say? But yeah, this is crazy here. Let me pull it up. Let me pull it up. Need us a nice fresh 1 hour fair value gap.
So
Yeah. Oh, jeez. Yeah. What is that?
that
is why
everybody
watching this
is
is the exact reason why I tell you do not trade on weekends. Perfect example as to why. What time did they start? Oh,
yeah, we're
in New York time, so at like 4 o'clock, 4 or 5 o'clock, it started to do its thing. Look,
did it
give us an opportunity? Look at 706, huh?
Maybe for this.
For this one?
That one
That one kind of did it.
Pulling
from this candle.
Which
you would think, why don't we pull from this candle?
If you
If you pull from this one, it doesn't even hit, it almost hits it, so it's really not perfect.
I don't
like it. Want to hit that 786 like perfectly.
Don't
see it in the 15 minute. What about the 1 minute?
Did it
Give us
an
entry?
Pull from
these bodies.
Not
really.
I mean,
no.
Yeah,
it went to the 618.
You want
the 786 though.
That's
not the model, guys, and
it's not
the model.
We don't
trade it.
But yeah,
I mean that's kind of how Sunday's going.
Yeah. It was that was pretty insane. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it worked out for my trades, so I'm definitely not complaining. But that was a wild thing to witness, without a doubt.
Yeah, and being on the receiving end of that is never fun.
It's the
kind of stuff that makes people give up on trading altogether.
Yeah, not me. I don't know about you. Not me.
No, I'm not one to give up, that's for sure.
It's not in
my soul.
Okay.
Handle here.
I'm starting to
get an echo on your side.
Yeah.
Might be your volume there.
Yep. No, I am. I'm definitely running into some issues here. It's like where I can't change the device in Streamlabs. It just gives me the default device. The default device that I have on here. The only thing I can think to do is Try talking again.
How about now?
You
You
crazy
Dutch bastard.
Yeah, no, that's weird, dude, because we never have an echo issue.
Oh, no, it was just from your speakers. I don't hear it anymore. Good now.
Yeah, no, it's still doing it. I don't know if yeah, I don't know if it has to do with the microphone in the webcam, because I do not have that. So it's like my output device, I always have freaking. You know what I'm gonna have to do, bud? We're gonna have to go headphones, because I don't feel.
The mic.
Hold on.
We're sorry
about the
technical difficulties. Just make sure you
subscribe on all your.
Oh God!
grabbing some popcorn, grabbing a soda.
From our concession stands out theater.
Yeah.
Make sure all your seatbelts are fully fastened. Take off. Get to 1,500 feet. Seatbelts will come off. And we're opening the door. Check your pilot chutes. No, nothing? Getting anything here?
Oh no, I can still hear you. That's the thing, dude. Frickin'.
Done messed up, Bobby.
Yeah, we are. I am having some serious technical difficulties right now. Like, it won't switch over to headphones.
I don't hear anything,
dude.
You don't hear anything out of me?
Something now.
You gotta hear me. Right? You hear me?
What'd you do?
I don't know. I tried to switch over to headphones just now. But
Probably gonna have to restart it.
yeah, because this is weird. How about now?
There you go.
Yeah.
Now, what'd you do?
I fixed it. All right. Get
All
you
right,
back up
where
to
were
full. Just need you to speak now.
Are we good now?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that was very strange.
And we're back. So,
Yep, we are good.
economic data for the week.
And that's definitely something I'm gonna have to be mindful of in the future here. That was stupid. So Discord kind of takes over apparently now.
Discord takes over. What do you mean?
So I don't know. This is the first time it's happened that like the sound settings in Discord are basically what takes over on the computer and on Streamlabs. Usually I can go into Streamlabs and switch things up and stuff. But like the noise gate, everything that I was putting on Streamlabs was not registering for one reason or another, and I had to do everything here in Discord. The microphone, all that stuff. Like I'm probably good to put you back on the monitor now, actually.
Hey, probably good.
Nope. Nope, it's still getting you, even with crisp. Even with crisp noise suppression. Echo cancellation on. I'm sure it's coming back on. All right. Nope. All right. I think this is good though. I think this is fun for the viewer to see. We are a small grassroots podcast.
An up and coming one.
Oh yeah. And it did so much to get all this dialed in, and to still have these problems is a little bit annoying. So, but still,
Running into some technical difficulties.
what do you want to talk about first?
So you want to go over economic data?
Oh yeah. So
Let's bring that up. We'll go down
there
our
is
conspiracy theory route.
I wouldn't say conspiracy theory.
Yeah, we're already
there's some
banned anyways.
stuff-
That comment I made in the beginning about men.
About what?
About men.
I didn't hear that comment. I was trying to get this audio figured out.
The whole sticking to commitments thing.
Oh yeah. Well, we do have Juneteenth this week.
Oh yeah. So there you go.
Yes.
There's a bank holiday. Another thing to look out for. We don't trade on holidays.
Well, we can't trade on holidays. Well, you can trade crypto.
Bitcoin is, as far as Bitcoin is concerned, not trade
Really?
on holidays.
You don't touch it on holidays at all?
Nope. Well, unless you know what you're looking for. But if you're first starting out and you don't understand what we're doing here completely, do not trade on holidays. Do not trade on Fed Day. Do not trade on non-farm payroll. Do not trade on the weekends. Do not trade on Monday or Fridays. We're eliminating a lot of your mess ups. The guys that are watching this, you guys trading on holidays, trading on the weekends, trading after hours, like you're trading the Asian session, and you're wondering why do I suck so much? Well, you're not trading at the right time. That's what. Remember order of operations in math? You have to remember the same thing.
PEMDAS.
Huh?
PEMDAS.
Yeah. So time is always first. Doesn't matter if there's a 786. Doesn't matter how juicy the setup looks. Doesn't matter. If it's not time, you don't take the trade. I don't care how good the setup looks. Don't take the trade. Wait for the right time. Stick to the rules. And it's going to eliminate a lot of your problems as to why you keep getting stopped out. You'll start noticing that at certain times, the bull flags, the Fibonacci, even RSI, the stochastics, all that stuff starts to work. And the people have a little experience of this, and they've tried trading before. They know. They'll even start to go down the road of patterns don't work, or this, indicators don't work. You'll hear that a lot. They do work, but they only work when it's the right time. You have to look out for that. If it's not the right time, everything doesn't work. You'll see setups get walked on left and right.
As far as economic data goes this week, we got Juneteenth on Friday, but Wednesday we got the Fed rate decision. So that's basically the only thing that you need to be worried about this week.
Yeah, probably what? I would say
as you can see, like Empire State Manufacturing Survey.
Yeah, I was just looking at red folders. This is Market Watch. I'd prefer to use Forex Factory, but It allows you to filter things out a little bit more. Probably can do that too with this.
Yeah, I mean, I've just been doing it for so long. I know that this right here is the only thing. So basically, Wednesday afternoon, um, I won't be into the markets at all.
Yeah, Wednesday's looking volatile. Thursday, what we got?
Thursday, initial jobless claims as normal.
So Thursday looks like a possible day to be trading. So Thursday, what about Tuesday?
Tuesday was the import price index, which,
Looks like Tuesday and Thursdays are our days to be trading this upcoming week here. That's what I would be doing. I would not be taking trades on Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. Right? If you're just a beginner. If you know what you're looking for and you have a setup, and I would give you 2 tries. You got 2 tries to make it work. You try the first time, you get stopped out. You only have one more try. Only one more try to get it right, you know?
I mean, if Bitcoin keeps doing what it's doing in the overnight, I know exactly what I'm going to buy at 4 a.m.
What are you going to buy?
GPUS, baby.
GPUS. What is that?
That's one you're going to have to bring up.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
You're going to
segue into that.
You're going to love this chart. It just popped into my head. I'm like, what would be a way to target this Bitcoin pump?
Data.
Did we bring up the Bitcoin chart yet?
Yeah, we were looking at it before.
Okay. So people got to see the big spike.
I think so. But that was before the whole technical difficulty thing.
Yeah.
Right, so what's the story with this?
So they are it's called Hyperscale Data. They've kind of switched over into the whole data center thing, but they are at their heart a Bitcoin mining company. So they're battered down, they're cheap, and they're prone to hype. So that's exactly why I would just be getting in there at 4 a.m., try to get some of that pre-market volume on Webull. And I can tell you exactly what they tell the public they are. So, owns and manages a data center, provides mission-critical products for the defense, aerospace, industrial, yada, yada, yada. But they were originally a Bitcoin mining company, and I'm pretty sure they still mine Bitcoin at their data center.
All right.
So it's like if you look at the last day's chart when Bitcoin was dipping, this thing dipped pretty hard. And the last time Bitcoin had a little pop off earlier in the week, I mean, it goes up and down with Bitcoin still. But
so this should pop off.
Yeah, I mean, there's plenty of Bitcoin stocks. I actually have in my watch list here a whole bunch of them right here on my first list. You got TerraWolf, Bit Digital, Riot, Marathon. So I mean, you have opportunities there.
For sure, we talked about Riot here on this channel at some point.
Oh, I definitely have talked about Riot. That was my 2020 winner, dude. Made my whole year. I was like, there's a bunch of riots happening. I'm buying into Riot.
Makes sense, you know?
It's exactly.
All right, guys. So, I mean, there's an opportunity here, right?
Purely hypothetical.
Yeah, it's almost a 1 to 3.
I'm not going to ride it. I'm not going to ride it that high. I'm just looking for that 4 a.m. pop.
Yeah, this is like a 1 to 3. So, stop loss below the low. Targeting the high of the flag, which would be 28 cents. Stop at 11.4 cents. Solid setup there. guys want to give it a go. Obviously, it's not financial advice. We would never tell you to buy or sell anything. We're not financial advisors. This is simply a documentation of our financial journey. And if you learn something from that, well, God bless you. More power to you. But sorry, guys, we're not financial advisors. That's not what we do here.
Yeah, another one is Bit Digital.
What's the ticker?
BTBT. They just got a bunch of analyst buy ratings and stuff. So they're getting into the machine learning and AI. BTBT.
BTBT?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
They're doing, of course, because all of these companies run server farms for mining. So they're also getting into machine learning and renting out server space to these AI companies. So this one would be another one. If Bitcoin pops even harder tonight, because now the futures market's open, so you're not going to have that holding it down, because we had a dip this afternoon, which was primarily the futures market, I think.
Interesting. Kind of
Yeah.
786 there.
But I'm just trying to put together a game plan for my 4 a.m. runners.
Something to keep in mind, you kind of have it's not really a head and shoulders, really sloppy head and shoulders. You're kind of stretching it.
This is just a bunch of slop right here, but
right.
Well, the problem with this company is they're a $611 million market cap, so they're not going to move as fast. Hyperscale Data, their market cap is only 74 million. So, and plus the top executives have been doing a lot of insider buying. So even though they're not making money,
I don't see that really playing out, because that would put it at $-1.89. So I don't really put any validity into that.
Yeah, it's too big of a market cap though. It's $600 million market cap, so that's why it would be hard to get a good mover on this one in the morning. One day in general. Basically just trying to encapsulate that Bitcoin pop on the stock market. Trying to cash in on that. But, I'm just thinking out loud. Already thinking about the trading.
I don't know what to make of it.
Yeah, it's ugly.
Kind of a rounded top almost, too. I don't really like rounded tops.
Round bottoms make money.
Yeah, well, really, if it goes down, where's it gonna go, though?
Yeah, it's not gonna be good. I'm just looking at short term, 2 hour pop. But then again, if I don't wake up in time, I'll just be trading the normal markets like I do at 9:30 open. Basically, I got that small account challenge. So I gotta get going here. I've only made $7.
What your strategy is there?
Yeah, with the small account.
Yeah.
No, I mean it's the same that I do with day trading in general. Momentum trades in and out. Basically, just that account will be a PDT account. It'll be lots of trades. We'll be looking for bottom plays after earnings. We'll be looking for all kinds of stuff. Probably not going to diversify that portfolio.
Let's walk us through it. What time are you starting to look at this, and what are you doing?
Oh, I start at 4 a.m. I get right on the market scanner at 4 a.m.
All right.
The one that on Webull that tracks volatility. So if anything starts getting that rising bid, that 7% pop, it'll come through on that scanner. Right. Obviously, something like this Bitcoin pop, I'm gonna already have a stock picked out and just jump in right at 4 a.m. because it's basically that's my pick for the day. without any other information, without seeing what is actually popping off that day. So yeah, that's right now. That is a possible tactic that I am just started forming. This past week, because I was like, oh, let me look at what advantage I have with this account where I can trade at 4 a.m. when most people who have your standard brokerage accounts can't trade at 4 a.m. So a lot of Charles Schwab doesn't let you trade at 4 a.m. For instance, E-Trade, those are big brokerages. So it's just whatever advantage I can get. I'm trying to take a hold of that. That might change. If that tactic doesn't end up working out in the long term, I'm obviously not going to stick with it. I'm not stupid. But that's I'm going to pattern day trade just like I do with my bigger account. So that should be fun trying to do both of them at the same time.
Right.
Those momentum trades. Oh, did you want to bring up the crypto trades? My crypto trades from this weekend?
Sure.
Zora and Zcash. Now, it was funny because earlier today when Bitcoin had its first pop, before it, consolidated a bit, you'll see it with Zora. Zora especially. Yeah, you're going to have to zoom all the way in. Just go to the 1 day chart. The 1 week chart.
It is the 1 day chart, brother.
That is.
Oh no, is this the right?
Yeah, Bitstamp is a better one. If you go to the if you go down and click on the 5 day in the bottom left hand corner, just zoom it right in on the last 5 days. Because you're showing several weeks.
Yeah, you want to see the 5 day?
Yeah. Because this is a short term trade. This is just for the weekend. So yeah, that last pop, that's where I sold. I should have sold on the first pop because I did look at it and it was at 8.7, and that would have been a nice profit there. But I basically waited for Bitcoin to pump and then I sold off right at the top there. Wasn't bad. The thing is that my other one, Zcash, had not popped off until Bitcoin started going up a few hours ago. So when that happened, they both popped up. I was like, all right, the aggregate profit covered my weekend and gives me some extra money. I'm out. Not holding overnight. I'm going into the morning with nothing but dry powder.
Nice.
And 1 share of SpaceX.
Yeah, we're going to keep that probably for a long time.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It'll be interesting play. That's just a novelty now. So, and then if you want to bring up Zcash real quick, Zcash actually ended up being see, this looks ugly. This looks like pump and dump city. There's massive gaps. Where Zcash looks like a much better chart. So I was gonna say it's trading at 470 right now.
On what?
I got the Coinbase chart up, I believe. Let me go check which chart I have up. I might have put the Bitstamp chart up. I have the Tether, Zcash Tether Binance chart up. This one's
learning opportunity here to see something here, right? I wonder if you could front run this move on Coinbase.
No, so if you look at the Coinbase chart, this happened to me with TradingView with Coinbase. It stopped tracking price hours ago.
Oh yeah, it's because they
must be having a server maintenance or something. So, because right now this is trading at 470, and it's not showing that on Coinbase. But I actually ended up, I think, making more money off Zcash, and I was holding less of them. So, live and learn. Probably
Head and
just should have
Shoulders
gotten a Zcash. The
played
reason
out.
I'm eyeing Zora is we're coming up on a year from its last parabolic run. And the algos like to latch on. Oh yeah, that's a freaking standard head and shoulder action right there, bud. But like I said, a auditing company found an exploit in the Zcash smart contract. So that's why that thing dumped.
That's why I like to use the 886 for the altcoins, not the 786. So when you're looking at these altcoins, typically I look for the 886 retracement.
It's a little more solid.
It's typically, sorry, my buddy's messing me. It's typically more manipulated. That's what I see.
Makes sense. Altcoins, smaller market caps and stuff. I know it'll be interesting to see because there was a while there where Bitcoin and the S&P used to kind of like mirror each other. So if Bitcoin was popping off over the weekend, basically you could bet money that the S&P 500 was going to be doing the same once market open on Monday. There was such a strong correlation between the two that I literally kept talking about these two just decoupling it on this channel a bunch too. Like, when are these two gonna frickin' decouple? And it just wouldn't happen. Let me see.
I mean, this is like weird times right now. So it's hard to predict the markets.
Yeah. I mean, it does look like, so I don't know if it has to do with, the imminent Iran peace deal. I mean, Trump basically announced today that they were getting that deal signed. So it could have something to do with that. But the S&P 500 is up so far in the last 45 minutes. It's up 1%. The QQQ is up almost 2% on the overnight trading. Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this week's been crazy, really.
Well, I mean, in this particular instance, it does appear that, they are following suit. The major indices are following Bitcoin up into the stratosphere.
Well, I don't know. When we talk about what we were talking about with the economic data, if say that happens, we were going to go down that road. I don't think we ever even brought it up.
Oh, the Fed rate decision?
Yep.
Yeah, so I think I was telling Corey, as far as that goes, after noon on Wednesday, I'm not touching anything. I don't care. I'm literally going to be holding cash. It's too unpredictable. This is a brand new Fed chair, just got appointed, and I know it's a vote. So they have their board, the board of the Federal Reserve, whatever it's called, the governors. They all vote on the Fed rate decision. So it's not one guy. But still, this could be a weird one. We could get some unpredictability here. You don't know. So if if they cut the interest rate, you could see some craziness in the markets. But people might not actually like the fact that they're cutting the interest rate because inflation's up, so it would make no sense. But if they could raise the interest rate because inflation's been so bad the past few months, and if that happens,
that'd be crazy.
That'll send the market down hard.
Here's how we're talking about. We see some bad news on the markets are telling us that something's going to come out that's bad news, and it's going to tank the markets even more. So my theory here is that what we've been seeing with the markets as to why they're correcting this is that smart money has already received this information and they're front running their exit. It's a theory. I'm just pulling this out of my ass. But wouldn't that line up perfectly?
Yeah, because I mean, it would have to be something because right now the S&P and the Nasdaq they're all making V-shaped recoveries right back to all-time highs, like with the quickness, and that's still not sustainable. There's barely any chop nowadays. It's just we go down for a week and then we're start catapulting right back up. So it needs a reset. We need to come back down to earth.
Yeah, and that's kind of what we've been talking about. We've been saying it for a while now.
The thing is like it could also not be the Fed rate decision. We could also get a blown peace deal with Iran, and Israel starts bombing the crap out of everybody again, and that would tank the markets too.
Compound, yeah, it would compound the whole thing.
Yeah, yeah. So it's like it could be anything, but at this point, with this week, I would definitely expect it to be Wednesday with the Fed rate decision. Obviously, something happens before then with the overseas and the warring and such, then I would actually be looking for, a bump from Wednesday, a bump back up. Because no matter what the Fed chooses to do, that'll be like a return to normalcy. But
Makes sense.
We only
right?
predict the markets.
Yeah.
Definitely not time travelers. So
definitely not, guys. So if you think anything like that, seriously, like really, guys, come on now. That's a secret weapon. That's actually how we know. So sorry to give it away, guys, but yeah, we got a time machine. The future. That's how we were hitting these trades with such a high degree of accuracy.
It's a hot tub.
Yeah, it's a time machine hot tub. It comes with 2 baddies.
From the 1600s.
I wonder what baddies looked like back in the 1600s.
I mean, humans were humans, so they probably look a lot like the women look nowadays.
Yeah? You think they got like Botox injections in their lips?
I wouldn't.
And like, their looks maxing for sure back then, dude.
Dude. That's what they look. Okay, I gotta share this. I gotta
Looks
go on
maxing,
Google.
bro.
I gotta go on Google and show you what a baddie from the 1600 looked like.
You should ask AI.
I mean, if you're
to generate an image of 2 baddies in a hot tub in the 1600s.
right here, bud. Those right there, those are baddies from the 1600s.
Eh.
Yep.
Give it like a 5 at best, dude.
Nah, I would give 3 cows and a goat for any one of those ladies as a
3
dowry.
cows, huh?
Yeah, because you had dowries. Oh no, doesn't the father pay the future husband, the dowry?
I thought the future husband pays the family. As like
No, I think the father has to pay given by the bride's family to the groom. Yeah.
Oh, look it up.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's given by the bride's family to the groom or his family upon marriage. So Dude, like I would be cool with one goat and marry any one of those baddies right there.
I just have a harem of females, dude. My life goal for a while. No, this is gonna be cut, and then they're gonna edit this to make it look like
Oh,
He talks about
yeah.
harems of females.
I'm not gonna lie, man. One woman is typically, enough for me. If you know what I'm saying,
Typically,
it's enough.
it
Yeah,
is enough. Okay.
it's enough. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. It would be
Uh,
nice if they could all get along. You know what I'm saying?
just have a freaking commune.
Yeah, and they're all like helping each other. I think that would be awesome. So I actually went to the Church of Mormon. No.
You either got to be Mormon or Muslim, buddy. Oh, I know the gas station I go to is Pakistani owned, and
Hmm.
it was like a big deal when the owner moved his second wife here. The
Yeah.
first wife, who runs the gas station most of the time, she was not very happy.
Well, clear she's got to get over it.
I I guess there was some kind of compromise made, so
Yeah.
good for them. I'm not judging. I actually like the sons. The sons are all like 16 to 20 something now, and they're very Americanized. They're bumping the hip hop when you go in there in the evening when when their father's not there.
Faja.
Very chill. No, they have no accent. No, they're very American. I see them at the gym. They go to the gym.
Yeah.
I I've talked to the oldest one about investing, but it's like, is that haram? Like, are you allowed to invest, or is that considered gambling? And he was like, no, 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 you're allowed to invest. I'm like, hey,
Hmm.
freaking,
Interesting.
let's
Well,
talk.
let's get you gambling. No.
So it's haram to gamble in the Islamic faith, and oh yeah, bring up the few. Look at that gap,
Yeah, it's going right to the stop loss there. Well, we
bigger
really
than the
didn't
gap
open
in
it.
my front teeth.
This is we're kind of framing this one out, and it blasted right through the inversion fair value gap there. So that tells you there's some power behind this. It gapped up. Let's see. Yeah, it just gapped up right at the open here.
Yeah, well, that's
Two penny.
overnight trading. So that this is following the actual overnight trading. And overnight trading happens on very little volume. So I would actually expect this to dip and consolidate a little bit as we get closer to market open tomorrow.
So no stop is hit, and we're waiting it out because once again we stick to our commitments. You know?
Yeah, and he did get stopped out in Bitcoin, right?
Yeah, that trade was ended before we even started the stream.
Yeah, dude, it was like I had a feeling. I said on Friday, I was like, I think we're gonna hit 65, and sure enough, we hit 65 hard. No technical analysis behind that. That was straight up gut feeling.
I think that's actually what we talked about on the last stream. We talked about why it was going to do this. We actually did our limit order get triggered. That's the other thing. So if you remember from the last stream, we have look at this. It is no mercy. Oh my God. God damn. What was it? I think daily. Uh, should we like? I was supposed to trigger. What happened to my limit order? Lord have mercy. Got a couple of them though. So yeah, we can just oh, that's why. Yeah, this one was triggered. I think when did it open? It might have just triggered while we were on stream. So yeah,
Really?
our limit order was set, and yeah, let's see what happens here. We are shorting, guys. Yep. Yeah, that's what we do. The trend is our friend. Yeah, there's no gap there. It'll be interesting. It could just keep charging. Charging to the upside.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's rough at this point. It kind of looks like it's curling over on the live chart. Like we're starting to top out here, and it's gonna need. Yeah, I mean, we definitely have topped out, curl back down. We formed a short-term double bottom around the 65, 465.5 range. So,
Yeah.
and it looks like it's about to pop back up. But I mean, I would expect some consolidation. I don't know what the driver is for this besides the possible Iran peace deal.
Yeah.
When you see these massive spikes like this, dude.
Yeah, you really can't. You really can't. This kind of price action. It's with Bitcoin, the different game. We're damn sure.
Well, it looked like it was breaking down under 64,000 earlier.
It'll entice you into a move, and then it'll go the complete opposite direction.
Oh yeah, total liquidity hunt. That's exactly what that was. Yeah, like 2 and 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It hit the low 63,775, 63.6, and then pow,
bam.
It's like a few short hours later, and we're up 2,000 per coin. Crazy.
That's the stuff I'm telling you. It's like Bitcoin. If you're on the receiving end of that, it will stop you out. It's designed to steal your money.
And the Asian markets looked like they dipped it and are about to flip it. A little dip and flip. Get people short selling again.
Reverse it. Yeah.
Yeah. Put that thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
That's exactly what they did.
Yeah, who knows? This could be another fake out. They could just be like couple head fakes. But the Asian markets are fickle like that.
That's how it goes.
They're probably smarter than us, so I trust their judgment. I mean, it's one thing to be a time traveler. We know what's going to happen. We flip a coin before the live stream to see who gets to be right. Whether it's Money Mike or Crypto Corey that particular day. That only makes it look like to the viewer that we don't actually know what's going to happen.
Yeah, that's part of the show. You got to put a show on. So, those are the territory.
Oh, yes. Yeah, so I don't know. What do you think Bitcoin's going to do right now? Do you have a trade going?
Yeah, Bitcoin trade.
Did you short it?
Yeah, we were just talking about it. Oh, God. Son of. It is up. Yeah, it's up. What are you talking about?
Your trade?
Yeah, look at the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we had a limit order. It was set while we were on stream last time.
Oh, no way.
Yeah,
so you got stopped out and then it made new highs and filled your limit order now.
Yeah, and then we're basically doing the same thing over and over again.
Oh, it's dipping now. It lost the 65.6, so I think
It
you might
tricked them.
actually be. You're
It
probably gonna
tricked
make money
people
on
into
this one, bud.
thinking that it was gonna go back up, and now it's gonna whipsaw them into like going down again.
Yeah. 4 green candles in a row like that makes sense. We need a little consolidation now. I don't know. The only thing I'm watching right now is the UFC fight tonight.
Oh yeah.
Well, because you know my prediction market thing, I've been talking about that on stream, right? My $10, I'm up 640% or 540%. I don't know. I turned $10 into $64. I get 10 free dollars to use in the prediction markets.
Imagine if we put 1,000 in.
I don't know how I got the money for free. That's the only way I'm doing that. And I haven't been able to figure out how to get that money out of my like prediction market thing that Robinhood keeps the money
You can't
in.
link a bank account to it.
Well, no, I do, but for some reason it like doesn't let me take that money out. It's weird. It's like it just says I have $64 for the prediction markets.
You're a scammer, dude. That's why. No, you gotta actually put real money in.
They gave me 10 free dollars.
Yeah, but that's not free. You weren't supposed to. You were actually supposed to lose that money, Mike.
Apparently, and
That's why you can't take it out.
Using the NBA, I'm up 6 times my money. So I took all of that, seeing as
What
I
about
can't
the
figure out.
WNBA?
I wish they don't let you. They don't have the WNBA on there.
Huh.
Yeah, I love betting on the WNBA, dude. That's like the only thing I bet on. That's funny. The WNBA and MMA. So I put everything on the underdog on the main card for the MMA fight on the White House lawn tonight.
Full port.
Dude, if he wins, I will have turned $10 into $280. And then I can't stop after that.
Obviously not. No.
Nope. I gotta grow it to the point where it becomes a problem that Robinhood won't let me take that money out. I'll be calling them up. So yeah, I'll be watching to see who wins the MMA fight tonight, but we'll see what happens. I don't have Paramount Plus, so I can't watch it. But we do have live updates.
That's what we do. That's what we do around here.
Oh yeah. So of course it's Lopez versus Garcia now. They're still fighting. It'll probably be like another 2 hours before Justin Gaethje fights Ilia Topuria. Put it all on Gaethje. I put it all on the American to win. America. It's on the White House lawn.
Yeah.
It's on the White House lawn. The American's probably gonna win. Just home field advantage. That's all I was thinking about.
Yeah, I'm not a gambling man, so I don't really participate in those things.
I don't either, but when someone gives you 10 free dollars and you just keep winning, you know? Oh, looks like you're short. It went green. Nice. Who else live streams their trades, dude? And doesn't hide it behind a paywall? Literally, we show you the brokerage account or the paper trading accounts.
But pretty soon, that's gonna have to pay for the time machine. That's for sure.
Imagine you start selling time machines and people are like, "Oh, they're quacks. This is they're whoever gives them money deserves to lose their money." And then it's like, "Holy crap, they actually made a real time machine."
And we got GoFundMe page. We got a prototype up right now. You can go look at the schematic. Here's to donate $800 to $8,000. It's small, nothing big, but all we're asking is if you can contribute $800 to our time machine, that would be great.
There. Full disclaimer: there is no GoFundMe from the Manic Money to make a time machine.
So we need your ass to help us.
If one pops up, don't give them your money.
Yeah, right.
Instead, here's a Bitcoin wallet address.
Yeah, this is the seed phrase.
Yeah. Put the seed phrase up. That's how they send you money, right? Oh, good times. Oh yeah, that's printing green, bud. I will be doing a day trading live stream tomorrow. That's a given. Obviously, I don't start too early with that, so you won't be able to see. I'll show everybody what happened with my Webull trade if I do wake up early enough for that. But I did just take some caffeine before this, so who knows? We might not be getting to bed on time.
Definitely not.
Only 100 milligrams, but it had electrolytes. Plants crave electrolytes.
Yeah.
It's got what plants crave.
I think that's a great place to leave it off. What do you think?
Oh yeah. It's gonna be so. I'm on vacation, so there will be a live, a day trading live stream every morning this week, and Wednesday we're gonna do a Wednesday one.
Yeah. If you're down.
Wednesday will be perfect because that'll be after the insanity of the Fed rate decision and whatever else is about to happen here.
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see what plays out this week.
Yep, brand new Fed chair, so
we're sticking to the trend. Trend's our friend. That's how we trade. And currently, this is a bear market. So, anybody's telling you anything otherwise, they clearly don't have a time machine and they don't know what they're doing.
Yeah, this is like the eve of the TradFi bear market. We're gonna have a rough couple months ahead of us. Hopefully, it's only a couple months. You know.
Hopefully, we'll see.
Hey, someone is trying to get us to buy AI viewers in the chat.
Yeah, we don't need AI viewers. Clearly, this is just a documentation of our financial journey. If you subscribe, you like the video, it doesn't really matter too much to us. We're not doing it for you. We're doing it for us. So, if we were doing it for you, that would be financial advisory. We can't do that. So
no, and if you learn something along the way, great. If not entertainment purpose only.
Yeah, if you didn't learn anything, I'd help you, man. I don't know how you not learn anything.
Yeah, this is the channel that picked Intel in early 2025, Kodak and BlackBerry before that. Freaking Corey basically tells you exactly what's about to happen with Bitcoin every week.
We called the bottom on Bitcoin last cycle.
NASDAQ, like
Palantir, Nvidia, the list goes on.
Oh yeah, that Palantir one. Oh, it sucks I was broke back then.
Same.
Didn't have a time machine yet.
They were still working on it at that point, but it's stabilizing. I'm having this problem where it's just like sending like parts of people's bodies back, and it's like not the full thing. So we had to figure that out.
Yeah, we didn't go in at first. We used homeless guys. to test it.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna tell him the secret, but
And we knew it
people were
succeeded.
prisoners. Yeah. What we do is we would show up at the local jail and bail them out, and they'd be really happy. And then, hey, by the way,
Stuff them in this thing.
hey, is there something in the past you want to change? And they're like, oh, I wish I could go back and not get arrested. Well, we got the time machine.
Yeah.
Go on back and change it.
We knew we succeeded when we sent the guy back in time with a really weird mustache, and he almost took over Europe.
Yeah, something weird happened there.
That's on us. That's our bad.
Yeah, you broke the Matrix. He wasn't supposed to be there anyways.
That was probably a bad joke.
Yeah, we're gonna get banned for sure on this one.
No. It was obscure enough. We're good. We're good.
Yeah, they flag funny mustache for sure. Like they hear that, you're done.
I literally have a funny mustache.
I should just shave this and just have the mustache again.
Dude, being in New England, like every once in a while, I'll get someone that will like slam a door in my face at the store or something. And I'm just like, damn, look me right in my eyes and then just let the door go as I'm walking up to it. And I'm like,
He's
man.
like, "Hey, thanks for holding the door, guy."
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's usually not a guy.
Oh yeah.
Apparently, I look like a certain group of people. Yeah. Yeah.
Get some tattoos on your head. That would probably help.
I do have a tattoo. Can you see it?
Yep.
Power button that doesn't work.
They probably need an off button. It's the same thing.
Oh, dude. Yeah,
I wish
people
I
at work
had
will be
off
like,
button for my brain.
I wish if I could just turn off my brain, I'd be so happy. But yeah, all right, we are going off on a tangent.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think that pretty much wraps it up. We got a lot of good stuff. I think we covered everything.
Oh yeah, day trading live stream tomorrow, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm not going to start it that early. Got some other things to do in the morning first. And then Wednesday night, 7-ish. I'll actually probably put an announcement on the Facebook.
Yep.
I mean, we can definitely lock in at an 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the live streams for the next 2 weeks if you want to do that.
Yeah, let's do that.
That way we know you're going to be home in time, and we know I don't, it's whatever for me now. I can take a nap during the day if I need to.
Not a bad idea.
Yeah, no, it's probably not going to happen, dude. I got 2 weeks here to make this work, and I need to attack it with veracity and intelligence. And
Oh yeah. All right, guys. This has been the Manic Money Finance Channel. I'm Crypto Corey.
Money Mike.
Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.
Follow us on Facebook so we can make money on there.
Right? So, once again, we reiterate it's not financial advice. It's a simple documentation of our financial journey. So, I think that wraps it up, guys. Till the next one.